XTI Aerospace successfully completed a structures technical familiarization meeting with the FAA for its TriFan 600 aircraft certification program during a meeting on July 2nd. At that meeting, engineering experts from XTI and the FAA reviewed the aircraft's structural design philosophy, analysis methodologies, load conditions, and compliance approach. XTI plans to conduct additional technical familiarization meetings with the FAA across various disciplines in the coming months as part of its collaborative and transparent certification program. According to David Ambrose, XTI's Vice President of Engineering, this milestone is crucial in progressing the TriFan 600 towards type certification, which involves FAA approval of the design of the aircraft and all component parts. The company is committed to de-risking critical aspects of its structural design with FAA input. XTI Aerospace's approach to certification is described as collaborative and transparent, and the TriFan 600 represents a new category of aircraft, dubbed XVTOL, which combines vertical takeoff capabilities with fixed-wing performance. This innovative design positions the TriFan 600 as a unique solution in the aviation industry. XTI Aerospace has also completed over 1,500 computational fluid dynamics calculations for its TriFan 600 aircraft using the Frontier supercomputer, aiming to enhance the aircraft's aerodynamics before formal wind tunnel tests. The FAA has selected its certification branch office in Texas to oversee the TriFan 600's type certification, following XTI's formal application acceptance. At the same time, their corporate advisory board saw the appointments of Stephen Griesel, former CEO of Paramount Group, and Hannah Tamori from Palantir Technologies. Additionally, Preston Dunlap, former CTO and chief architect for the U.S. Space Force and Air Force, has joined XTI's advisory board, bringing extensive experience in national security and aerospace technology. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.